Welcome to Galaxy Knowledge channel. My dear subscribers, as you know, I have started series of lectures on the topic science, titling Science Mystery. I am explaining you in my each video the different concepts of science related to physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, etc. My today's subject is relationship between temperature and volume. Relationship between temperature and volume I am going to elaborate. You just listen it carefully. In many competitive exams, different questions are asked on this. What is the relationship between temperature and volume of any object? There are many objects are there in the nature. As you know, the relationship is that as the temperature increases, volume increases, and vice versa. As the temperature decreases, volume decreases. It means temperature is directly proportional to volume. Got it? You take an example of any metal like iron or the copper or the steel. If the temperature increases, volume increases. If the temperature decreases, volume decreases. It means if the temperature increases, any object expands. If the temperature decreases, any object contracts. The same rule is also applicable to water, but up to a certain extent. The same rule is also applicable to water, but up to a certain extent. After that limit, water starts behaving differently. That I want to explain you. That is, you take water and start heating it. The temperature of water will start increasing. The moment it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, water starts boiling. This boiling point of water, that is 100 degrees Celsius, is at the mean sea level. Just remember, in my last video I explained you related to this. As the altitude increases, the boiling point of water decreases, because altitude is inversely proportional to the boiling point of water. That I explained you in my last video. I don't want to go into details of that. Just now I am going to explain you the correlationship between temperature and the volume. The moment water starts boiling at the mean sea level at 100 degrees Celsius, and if you start cooling down the water temperature will come down to 90 degrees Celsius, then to 80 degrees Celsius, then to 60, then 40, then 30, then 10. After 10 it will reach to 9 degrees Celsius. The same rule is also applicable to water also, like other entities. That is, temperature is decreasing, at the same time the volume of water also decreasing. As the water reaches from 8 to 7 degrees Celsius, then 7 degrees Celsius to 6 to 5, the water volume also decreases. As the water reaches from 5 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, this 4 degrees Celsius is the benchmark. As the water reaches from 5 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, water's volume decreases. It means its density is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. The point at 4 degrees Celsius, when the water reaches to 3 degrees Celsius, the volume of water increases. 4 to 3, temperature has come down, but water's volume has increased. At the same time, the state of water is liquid only. It has not changed its state. From 3 to 2, the temperature has decreased, but volume increased. From 3 to 2, 2 to 1, temperature is decreasing, but volume increasing. But the point of time when water reaches from 1 degree Celsius to 0 degree Celsius, volume again increases. But here the state of water changes from liquid to solid. Got it? This is the point I wanted to elaborate. After 4 degrees Celsius, instead of contracting, decreasing its volume, water shows different property, that its volume increases. It means, more elaborately I will explain you. 4 is a benchmark. 4 to 3 volume increases. Got it? 4 to 5 volume also increases. 5 to 6 increases. 6 to 7 increases. Go on increasing like this. 4 to 3 volume increases. 3 to 2 volume increases. Got it? It means at 4 degrees Celsius the density of water is maximum. It means water occupies smallest space. Water occupies smallest space at 4 degrees Celsius. That is called density is maximum. And this property of water is called the anomalous bear of water. Anomalous bear of water. In Marathi that is called पाण्याचे असंगत आचरण. पाण्याचे असंगत आचरण. In my next video, I will explain you elaborately what is exactly anomalous bear of water. In this video, I explain you the correlation between temperature and volume. Okay, till my next video comes, you please subscribe, like and share this video. And if you want to make any comments, make your comments in my comment box. Till then, goodbye.